I've recently discovered that football in Europe is so much crazier than football in the UK. Last week I was at a football match in the Czech Republic, and what happened at the end of the game, I have never seen anything like it before. Like, I couldn't believe I was witnessing it with my own eyes. So I'll show you the clip now, but bear in mind that this was 10 minutes after the game. Like, the game had ended. In the UK, when the football ends, everyone just goes home, but not in the Czech Republic. Honestly, it was just mental. How crazy is that? I couldn't believe I was there, but I need to know, does this happen after every match? Like, there were so many people involved, everyone was loving it, but there was so much smoke, you couldn't see a thing in the stadium. The full stadium was literally just smoked out everywhere. The best thing about it all as well was the fact that the players and the staff come back out onto the pitch. They were just standing there applauding and just watching it all happen. Honestly, it was just unreal.